Hey everybody, what's going on tonight? Skip here from Skip's Happy Hour. Today we're going to look at these Rode microphones I got. They're the wireless Go 2. It's 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Not really a review because you can hear them now. Well, I mean, I'm using them actually right now. It's right here. But all right, so here's what they look like on the Rode website. So this is what I got right here. The problem was when I got them, they wouldn't charge. So I'm going to show you real quick how to get to that page. Okay, so here, what you want to do first is go to the Rode website and find Rode Central. It's an app that you can get. It's Mac and Windows, so I won't show you how to install it because, you know, there's plenty of videos on how to install software, but okay, so we're going to download that software now. Okay, so we click download for Windows. We're going to click on the system installer. It's very simple, just accept. Find your directory that you want, go ahead and install it. It's pretty straightforward. And there you go. So we want to launch it in this case here. And there we go. Now it's asking us to connect a Rode device. So I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so once you install the software, I'm going to go ahead and connect the Rode's microphone here. Just a little USB connection. And there it goes. Now it's going to show you the microphone up here in the corner. You don't need to click this. You can, there's settings here, but what you want to do is go over here to this one and then hit this factory reset button right here. Click that and it's going to tell you to unplug everything again. So I'm going to unplug that. And then it says to please reconnect. I'm going to do that. Hit factory reset. I'm sure. Now you can see it's updating. See the light blinking here? And it'll make a few noises while it does it. It doesn't take very long. So, and that's really showing the drive. If you see in the corner, what it's doing is it's loading the USB drive so you can get the audio off this. It does record the audio as well. So there you go. All right, so then now the drive shows up again. But that's about how long it takes. You have to do each of these. There's 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So you want to make sure that you do all of them. Once you do that, you'll be able to plug this into a USB and you'll see it charging like it is now. Before they didn't do that. They only had, they'd charge for like 7 minutes and that was it. Once I flashed it to the 2.5, now it's charging. You can see that there. So that's about it. So hopefully y'all learned something from that. I think it's pretty cool software. So that's really it. I just want to really show you guys that from the box it didn't work properly. And maybe if you have this video will help you. I hope it does. But anyway, thanks for tuning in to Skip's Happy Hour tonight, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Buddy, what's going on? Aaron here. Fuck.